looking at me, open to hear what I'm going to say. First things first, hello, future engineers. We need to have a quick family meeting. As you know, my WhatsApp number has been on this channel for a long time. I put it there because I want to be accessible to you, right? But recently, I hit 10,000 subscribers, and the result, or perhaps the reality, is my phone is crashing, right? I wake up every morning to over 500 new messages. Sir, solve this calculus problem. Sir, check my circuit diagram. Sir, I have an assignment to do. Sir, please help me with this. Sir, just only me. It's crazy to handle, right? So I want to help everyone, every single one of you. But I am only one person. I wish to help everybody, but I am just only one person. I'm one man, but I am one person. If I spend all day replying to your WhatsApp messages, I will not have time to record new tutorial videos. I will not have time to record the new tutorials you need to pass your exams. So I decided to make a hard decision to make sure I can still help the students who are serious. I have launched the engineering support membership. This is a new system to patronize me. If you have a question or need my help urgently, you do not need to chase me on WhatsApp anymore. So click on the join button below this video. For just 600 naira monthly, which is less than the price of meat pie and a drink, you become a VIP member of my channel. This gives you a special green badge next to your name. Here is my promise to all the serious students outside there. When I scroll through your comment section, I look at the green badge first. If you are a member, I stop everything and answer your question immediately. You get priority access to my knowledge. Please note, my WhatsApp is now officially closed for free homework help. If your message, or perhaps if you message me there on WhatsApp, you will receive an automated reply directing you back to this video or to this membership I'm talking about. This is not because I do not care. It is because I need to focus my time on the students who are investing in their education. So if this channel has helped you in the past and you want to secure a direct link or a direct line to me for your exams, click on the join button right now, get your green back today, and let's get back to work. See you guys after getting your membership for the engineer support. See you guys after collecting the green badge.